Once your lemon law claim is successful, ensuring a smooth repurchase or replacement process is the next step. Start by thoroughly reviewing the settlement offer from the manufacturer. Make sure it covers all the payments you made towards the vehicle, including the down payment, monthly payments, and any incidental expenses such as towing and rental fees and the registration renewal. For a replacement, ensure that the new vehicle is of similar make and value. Take the time to test drive it and inspect it thoroughly before finalizing the replacement. For a repurchase, confirm that the refund amount is accurate and includes all applicable costs. Stay in close contact with your lemon law attorney throughout this process to address any issues promptly. Their expertise can help you avoid potential pitfalls and ensure you get the full benefits you're entitled to under the law. If you own or lease a lemon, or have any questions about a problematic vehicle you bought or leased in California, the lemon law experts can help. Our attorneys have recovered millions of dollars in compensation for consumers across the state since 2009. To learn more about the best options available for your case, contact our team at 877-721-4716.